Hey, it's Kimmy the Gadget Goddess, and today I have a case that I searched high and low for. I got on the Casemate site once I purchased my Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G, and I saw this adorable case. It was sold out. I got put on the email list, so when it came back in stock, I'd be notified. I ended up finding it on Verizon's website. I checked Best Buy, Samsung, I checked everywhere. The only place I could find this is from Verizon. Verizon was good to me for my Z Fold 2 cases. I don't know why they always have stock when nobody else does, but if you cannot find this case, check Verizon. I always like to add a little bling to the arsenal. I always like to Kimmify my phones a little bit. This isn't custom, but it'll be fine because once it gets on this cream, it's gonna look glorious. So let's go over the box. This is 10 feet, 3 meters drop protection. It's called the Sheer Superstar, built in antimicrobial technology. It is made with plant-based materials. I see a lot of case companies going that way lately. It has raised bezels, flexible sides for enhanced grip, shock-absorbing materials, and tactile buttons. Lifetime warranty, another thing what they're featuring on these cases these days. Printed with soy ink. This packaging is recyclable. Presentation is wonderful. They give you all the bling before you even open the package. I see only going through the top and bottom to get to this, so we're gonna go bottom. Well, is it gonna let this come out? Oh, it slides. Insert fail horn here. Is that a hinge protector? Seamless one-piece design. It does have a hinge protector, so you're not gonna lose the pieces. Protect my hinge. After I stick these in here, I like to give a little shove to make sure they're edge to edge. And that's see-through as well. You can still see branding here. And man, that's quite beautiful. Thanks, Casemate. This is an awesome case. You have your cutouts for your cameras. You have reinforced buttons here, so these aren't the buttons from the phone. Access to your fingerprint. There are no buttons on this side. You don't have access to your SIM card, so you'd have to take the case off, which is fine. Your 5G module there. A little bit of branding here from Casemate. Microphone, charging port, speakers, and microphone up top. Let's see how our speakers work. Today I am unboxing or unbagging a case for the Pixel. Speakers work just fine. Man, this is nice. If you stuck around this far in the video, hey, I'm gonna give you a little tip I picked up this morning. Head over to XDA. There is a hack to where you can pull up the internet on your little mini screen. Yes, I have this plugged into YouTube and I can actually watch videos. Turn it down. Not that you would really want to watch a video that small, but it's just a nice little show off kind of deal you can do. It's more than the Z Flip 5G had to offer, and it's more than the Z Flip had to offer. It goes along well with your other widgets. Set up your sites you want to go to and you have access to them. That's over on XDA. That's if you stayed around this long in the video to pick that up. I'd like to thank everybody for stopping by, everybody who subscribed to the channel, everybody who's a member. Special thanks to them. Subscriptions are free, memberships are paid for, and I thank you for supporting my channel. If you're interested in becoming a channel member or supporting this channel, please click the join button. And if you're on iOS or Apple device, see the link in the description. We have 2 tiers of membership, and you can check out the perks by clicking the description link or clicking the join button. It does not make you a member just by clicking. I'll catch y'all on the next video. Holla!